Andiki a mohoro 38 kuma nyumba-ini 14 cia mohoro guku bururi-ini ni mamukirite motaro ma kimeciiria kuma kuri ruhonge rwa Mutharaba Mutune mwena wa Malindi arita njira ya kumagiririria kugumirwo ni thina wa kimeciiria thutha wao gukorwo makirumanirira na riboti igie uthikuria wa MIIRI mwena wa SHAKAHOLA kaunti-ini ya Kilifi.
Umeenda kukava unasimuko strong unaweza ibeba hiyo kitu. While in real sense you are affected mentally.
Mubango uyu uria woete ihinda ria thiku ithatu ni uraheire andiki a mohoro kanyaga kwiiturura kumana na maundu maria makoretwo makihitukira kuma uthikuria wa MIIRI wa mbiriria.
About mental issues, mental illnesses, like we've said, what are those common things? So that even for us as journalists, it's not just about SHAKAHOLA. Sindio? Yes, inaweza kuwa SHAKAHOLA is a trigger.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Malindi, afitha umwe wa ruhonge rwa Mutharaba Mutune Venat Digila ni ugite o uria MIIRI rathie na mbere na guthikurio noguo meguthie na mbere na kunyitirira andiki a mohoro na njira ya kumahe motaro.
Journalists are equally human beings, and when they go in to respond in such kind of responses, then they are affected like any other, and they tend to have what we call vicarious trauma by just observation. So they need treatment, they need support, and they need to be attended to in order to get better, and we have the facilities.
Rungu rwa mubango uyu andiki a mohoro ni marathomithirio njira itiganite cia gwitiria moritu maria macemanagia namo wira-ini wao.
It has been a good experience, especially also for us as Kenya Red Cross, because we have been able to interact with them and we have been able to get feedback from their point of view in terms of managing public information in disaster incidents.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni WIRA-INI.